shit.
Hey, it's KTerror reporting live from the middle of no fucking where, and the weather report for the day is oh shit! Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Cameraman, look at that shit.
It's a light chance of showers.
So there's a light chance of showers, but there's a guaranteed chance that your bitch will be wet.
I weathered the storm 2 times in a row in a week. Yesterday had thunder 4, today is lightning 17s. Rain, go away. Hell no, not today. When I make it precipitate, all of them problems they wash away. In shit, I stay young 8 like Mighty Joe. Bad to the bone like the body of a model hoe. Blue skies turn gray, blow smoke like a steamboat. And these niggas gotta roll through my hurricane flow. Wet leak, bed sheets, now she drain like the side of the streets. Sewer shit, I put this shit down way down to where the crunks be. Killing this shit, literally. High score that killer spree. Showers coming, storms grow. I hit the cities individually.
Yeah, niggas think they ready, but they really ain't. Hold up, half of them be hard, but they really can't. Be ready for the storm when I make it rain. Yeah, I bring the pain, bitch, I bring the rain.
I'm back today with the weather report, and as you can see, the storm is at full effect. And I strongly recommend that if you want to keep your bitch, that you leave the premises immediately. Evacuate the city right away.
BKT nigga on back, pin up bleed nigga on my back. I'm a dog bitch and I act like I been off of my legs. KTerror nigga on back.
Do me a favor and aim up to the sky real quick. Is that a flurry?
Just to chill with a nigga, whole set up a gazebo. Bring rain like sprinklers after fire burns below. Zero, colder than a blizzard in the tundra. Tornado shit, the safest place for you is under me. So stay below as I blow up on this beat. KT, been breaking since 93. Last name Showers, yeah, that's who I be. I was born to make it rain, as you can see. I storm in, buzz up, raise tides, wipe out, lights out, knockout. Power gone, this mine now. Wide scale, take over. Black sheep, make over. Red shit and I rebuild, that's a new life. Game over. Woo! Red shit and I rebuild, that's a new life. Game over.
Today, later on,
Red shit and I rebuild, that's a new life.
there will be
Game
sunny
over.
weather. And, just as long as KT leaves, we'll see. I'm not trying to get caught up in this. Wait, oh.
Dude, that's a tornado. Yeah, I see it, idiot.
Let's go. Dude, we gotta get out of here. Dude, we gotta get out of here. It's close.